Good evening all of you. Welcome to the online session for this determinants and matrices MCQ 3. Now MCQ 1 we are already done long back, around 1 month back. I think the last previous session was MCQ 2, where we actually saw the basic questions based on matrices and determinants. Today we are going to go in deeper. Might be if you understand, we will see some case studies also. If you are able to do all the questions, and I think that should be enough for you to really practice matrices and determinant on a confident note. Now remember children, every sum is important. Never underestimate a question that this is just a one line question, so it will not come for 2 marks. So might be that sum will also come. So we cannot judge what type of questions are going to come on MCQ. At the most we will make our fundamentals, keep it making stronger and stronger as we solve MCQs after MCQs on that specific topic. So ladies and gentlemen, now here let us start with this beginning, that is determinants and matrices of MCQ 3. Today we will see and have an opportunity to study some case studies also. So let us begin with the first set of questions. Now the last lecture we did this question. If you remember, the value of the determinant was there and I used some properties and I solved. So might be we just we just messed up. No, I didn't messed up, because our answer was absolutely right. If you remember, the answer was 9y square. So I checked the question, the option was wrongly printed here. So this is actually 9y square. So I just want to take up this portion here. So I can say here, so this was what? So basically what I am going to do is, I am going to help you out today with this, but slowly. That's why I just kept the full screen vacant for you, so that properties part you will remember. Because many questions, determinant, if you are going to solve directly, it is going to become very, very tough. So properties helps you in what? Property helps us in simplifying this and then evaluating the determinant. Point number 1. Second thing which I want to share with you, that once it becomes, if you are able to convert the determinant to 1 0 0 format, it becomes very easy to open up the determinant very nicely. So let me just put across to you this part of the thing, and then I think a lot of things will get clear. So remember, this is just a revision of the property sum on determinants. Should we do that? Okay, just relax and let me play a role. The first thing, remember, whenever they are asking value of determinant, if you are taking common can be taken from any one row or any one column at a time. Unlike matrices, in matrices whenever you take out common, the common is taken from all the elements together out. But in determinants, you have to take separately from row or column. Okay? Now, let us start with this. So first point is how do the things. Now if you see, 99% I always experience, whenever a determinant is very complicated, either it is addition of all rows or addition of all columns property you can apply. But what is the idea of adding all rows or adding all columns? So that you can take out something common out of that. Then only it's okay, otherwise there is no need to do it. So if you see carefully here, see this clearly. X plus x plus x, 3x and 3y. X plus x plus x, 3x and 3y. X plus x plus x, 3x and 3y. So that means what I can do, the property here, remember the property, applying property is just, so column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. This is the way you write, okay, it depends on you. Good evening. So column 1, this column 1 I am changing. So column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. What is the idea? So whenever you have a difficult set of elements, remember 99% cases either all the column addition or all the row addition. But how you guarantee that it is there? Sometimes it's not there. How? If you are able to take out common after adding this, that means you can go ahead with that operation. Okay, so let us see this part. Now column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So only column 1 is changing. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to work out this. So column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So x plus y plus x plus 2y. So this will become thrice of x plus y. Column 1 is changing. So again this plus this plus this. the corresponding elements only get added. X plus x plus x, 3x, again 3 of x plus y, and again this also 3 of x plus y. Second column there is no change, third column there is no change, keep it as it is. I want you to understand today, okay, just don't worry, just understand. X plus y, this is x plus 2y, and this is x plus 2y, this is x plus y, and this is x, okay. So, right, the next operation. Now, once you finish with this, I take common. So, as I said, you can take common from any row or column. So, can you take 3 of x plus y common from this column 1? This column 1. So, can I take 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 3x. So, taking common 3 of x plus y. So, thrice of x plus y will eventually give you what? 1, 1, 1. This will remain as it is, x plus y, x plus 2y, and this is x plus 2y, this is x plus y, and this is x. Once you get 1, 1, 1, think you are the most luckiest people. Because once you get 1, 1, 1, it becomes very easy to convert into 1, 0, 0. Now, why I am doing all these things? I am doing this not out of compulsion that I have to do it, just to make the opening of the determinant easier, that's all. Here also you can directly open up, but it will be a hell of the things for you. It will be a very big simplification, you will get one of the answer. Properties helps you to simplify the elements inside, and then, but idea is 1, 1, 1 aa gaya, ya fir 1 aa gaya, using that 1 you can make any element 0. So, how I do that? What I will do, I will keep this 1 as it is. Using this 1, I will make this 1 0 and this 1 0. Forget about the other element. The other element will take its role, will effect accordingly. Now, for example, 1 minus 1, using this 1, I have to make this 0 and this 0. So, how I make this 0? By subtracting 1 minus 1. So, row 2, this is row 2. Row 2 changes to row 2 minus row 1. That is 1 minus 1. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. So, using this 1, I will make this 0 first. How? 1 minus 1 will become 0. Similarly, using the same 1, you have to make this 1 also 0. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, basically here you got 1, 1. Let it be any element. Using 1, you can convert any element to 0. Now, for example, suppose here it is x. Here it is x. So, x minus x times 1 will be 0. So, how we write it? Row 1 changes to row 2, this, suppose this is x for me, okay. So, x, row 2 changes to row 2 minus x times row 1. So, क्या हो जाएगा देखिए, x minus x times 1, x minus x times 1 will become x. So, x minus x will become 0. So, here that's not the case, so just don't worry about that, okay. But what I am trying to say, एक भी 1 आ गया ना, तुम्हारा नसीब खुल गया. Okay, so row 2 changes to row 2 minus row 1. Similarly, row 3 changes to row 3 minus again row 1, 1 minus 1. Now, whatever effect you did, effect the change in this determinant. So, how I do that? So, let us see. I am writing this out here. Now, listen very carefully what I do. See, first row there is 3 of x plus y, I am writing outside, which is already there, I don't touch it. Now, row 2 and row 3 is changing, row 1 will remain as it is. So, what happens here? 1 x plus y and x plus 2y. Now, hold on. 1 minus 1, 0, because row 2 changes to row 2 minus row 1. X minus this, minus y. X plus y minus this. So, x minus x, 0. Y minus 2y is minus y once again. Am I going right? 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 I think, I don't know whether we faced the situation before. Might be, I am right. Okay, row 3 changes to row 3 minus row 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then similarly, x plus 2y minus this. So, x minus x, 2y minus y is y. Right? Okay. Okay. Then, okay. X minus 2y. Minus 2y. Got the point clear? काम खत्म. एक बार 100 आ गया, just go for the opening the determinant. How I do that I'll tell you. ये 100, 1 into its minor and 0 into minus 0, 0 into minus 0. तो आपको एक ही एलिमेंट के साथ खेलना पड़ता है. So for example, now this will become 3x plus y. This is 1 into AD. रो छोड़ दो, ये कॉलम को छोड़ दो. So what is AD? 2y square, right? Minus of minus, it is plus y square. So initially this will become 3 of x plus y is 3y square. So answer is 9y square x plus y. So that's the update here because it was a printing mistake. So my second option is the right option. In fact, last lecture also we got the correct answer only, but I was confused because no option was matching with that particular. So when I rechecked with the sum, it was 9y square. Got the point clear? So this is the, just to explain you how the properties are, any row can be added to any row, any column can be added to any column. Once you convert to one element aa gaya 1, so using that one you can convert to 100 by using such operations. That's the idea behind showing you this particular solution. Okay, so now our lecture starts up with the new MCQs, right? Okay, let us see this part. Next question. Now, yeah, this is an interesting question. Pay attention now. A is given. Okay, A is given. Find K if determinant 2A is equal to K into determinant A. Very simple. Now understand. I told you when a number is taken out. Okay. Now this is order 2. This is order 2. Okay. Now when a number is taken out, this is suppose order of this determinant A is what? 2. That means this 2 has to be either from each row or each column. So if I take 2 out, it will be 2 square. 1 for the first row, 1, 2 for the second row, and then into determinant A. आप समझ पा रहे हो ये 2 स्क्वायर क्यों हो गया? बिकॉज ये ऑर्डर 2 होने गए. तो इसमें से 2 आ गया बाहर, इसमें से 2 आ गया बाहर. एज सिंपल एज लुकिंग एट इट. कीप दैट मैन. अगर ऑर्डर 3 होता है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 टाइम्स, मतलब फ्रॉम ईच रो 2 विल कम आउट और फ्रॉम ईच कॉलम 2. कहां से आ रहा है मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वेरी सिंपल वे होगा. इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? K into determinant. Now if you compare both the sides, what is K is equal to? ये ध्यान में रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आ सकता है ये पॉइंट. ओके, कीप दैट इन माइंड. ओके, दिस इज माय 4 दिल मांगे मोर. लेट मी चेक द क्वेश्चन. आंसर 4 करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find the determinant of this matrix A square minus 2. I think everybody can attempt this, right? So if I want to see the third question, now let me tell you how I do the third question now. Third question is A square. What is A square? So let us get A square now. A square is 1 3 2 1 into 1 3 2 1. So if I do this part, row into column, 1 1s are 1 plus 6 7, 1 3s are 3 plus 3 6. First row into first column is the first element, first row into second column is the second element. Then 2 1s are 2 plus 2 4, then 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So this is my A square. So they are asking find the determinant of this. So A square minus 2A तो पहले निकालिए. So A square minus 2A, determinant of this. So A square minus 2A will be what? First you find that. So 7 6 4 7 minus twice of A. A क्या दिया इधर? 1 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So just see what happens now quickly. This is 5 0 0 5 करेक्ट. सॉरी 5. इसका डिटर्मिनेंट पूछा मैंने, ज़्यादा सोचो मत, सुनो. इसका डिटर्मिनेंट क्या आएगा? डायरेक्टली AD माइनस BC. व्हाट इज द आंसर? 25. 25 है क्या आंसर ऑप्शन में? यस, ऑप्शन में है. गॉट द पॉइंट. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, सो नेवर कमिट एनी ब्लंडर. यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट आई एम एज आई एम टीचिंग यू, आई एम ट्राइंग टू work out some shortcut strategy for you all, so that in such cases, now here there is no issue, you have to solve, there is no other option for this. You have to get A square minus 2A. लेकिन 2 minutes के 2 marks के लिए definitely 2 minutes 2.5 minutes you can always consume. ओके, बट डोंट हरी अप. अगर एक सम को 4 मिनट लग रहा है तो डोंट पैनिक, 4 मिनट दो, लेकिन एंश्योर दैट यू डू इट स्लोली एंड करेक्टली, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, तो डोंट वरी, वो टाइमिंग बैलेंस हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. और मेरे को मैं अपना बोर्ड क्या देने वाला तुमको, बकवास पेपर रहेगा ना. Look at this question. Oh shit, where I went? Oh, okay. Now I directly to case study. Now I want to understand the question. Okay, read the following and answer the 4 questions from 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is there, right? Now let's see what happens. Manjit wants to donate a rectangular plot. Understand what is happening. A rectangular plot बोला उन्होंने, ठीक है. So a rectangular plot. So a rectangular plot बोला है. Manjit wants to donate a rectangular plot for a school in his village. When he was asked to give dimensions of it, he told that if its length is decreased, so suppose length को x ले लो, breadth को y ले लो, ठीक है. x उन्हें आगे भी लिखा है, कुछ दिया है क्या इधर? नहीं दिया है, छोड़ दो. अब सुनो. Manjit wants to donate a rectangular plot of land for a school. When he was asked to give dimensions of the plot, he told that if its length is decreased by 50, if its length is decreased by 50 and breadth is increased by 50, then the area remains the same. तो मुझे बताइए ओरिजिनल एरिया क्या हो गया? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ हो गया ना. हेलो, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ हो गया. तो इस केस स्टडीज में डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, ताकि एंड दिस वर्किंग इज ओनली वन वर्किंग. आफ्टर दिस ऑल दिस आंसर्स विल फॉल डाउन लाइक 9 pins. केस स्टडीज ये सबसे इजी होता है मैट्रिसेस में. पूरा 8 मार्क आपको मिलना ही है, ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है. सो बी केयरफुल. सो इज इक्वल द एरिया रिमेन्स द सेम. व्हाट इज द एरिया? एक्स वाई, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. हो गया, काम खत्म, खाना आजम. सुनो फर्स्ट. सेकंड क्या बोला उन्होंने? बट इफ द लेंथ इज डिक्रीज बाय 10, तो सेकंड बोला x माइनस 10 हो गया. ओके, एंड द ब्रेथ इज इंक्रीज, नो, लेंथ इज डिक्रीज बाय 10 एंड ब्रेथ इज आल्सो डिक्रीज बाय, let me confirm that. Breadth is decreased by 20, so y minus 20, then its area will decrease by 5300, so xy minus 5300. ठीक है. चलो अब देखते हैं फर्स्ट द इक्वेशन इन टर्म. 2 कंडीशन आ गया हमको. so they are asking you for first question, based on the above information answer the following. 2 इक्वेशंस बोला. क्या है बोल मेरे भाई, इक्वेशन क्या है? ओके, इक्वेशन क्या है? $530 रहेगा, 5300 नहीं है, 530 है. इट्स नॉट 5300, 530. Sorry, change this to 530. I can look at the question and tell you what is the solution, or looking at the solution I will tell you 530. So here this is 530. Okay, yeah. Now fine. Now let us see this part clearly. Okay, let us start. So उन्होंने क्या बोला? Find the 2 equations. How you will find the 2 equations? Can you tell me? सोचो ना, ये 2 कंडीशन दिया. How you will find the 2 equations? Yeah, please tell. Wrong, no problem. But I want you to participate. So open up करेगा इसको, देखेंगे क्या होता है. तो ये हो जाएगा xy plus 50x minus 50y is equal to xy. तो xy gets cancelled. So 0 हो जाएगा. So x minus y equal to 0. 50. ओ प्लस 2500 भूल गया मैं. राइट. सो यहाँ पे मैं प्लस 2500 कर देगा. सो ये हो जाएगा x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 500 हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. 50. हाउ? 50. अच्छा, इसमें देखो कहाँ पे x माइनस वाई दिया है क्या? इक्वल टू 50, या दोनों ऑप्शन दिया है. तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द अदर ऑप्शन ऑल्सो. अगर एक ही ऑप्शन में x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 50 है, तो डोंट लुक एट द अदर आंसर डायरेक्टली, यू कैन स्विच ऑफ दिस. सो इफ आई सॉल्व दिस, सो आई थिंक व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इट. सो इफ आई सॉल्व दिस आउट, सो दिस विल बिकम which one? Option B. Are you getting the simplification? Option B is absolutely right. God, what happened? Sorry, I just shift. Okay. Now look at this point. हो गया. तो क्या हो जाएगा इधर? ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन हो जाएगा 2x plus y equals to 550. Okay, the second option is the right option. Now hold on. Okay, अब सुनो 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 सुनो, ये दोनों इक्वेशन को ठीक से लिख लिया मैंने. x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 50, 2x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 550. देखो दिस इज बेसिकली तुम्हारा मैट्रिसेस को जो सॉल्व करते हैं ना वही प्रोसीजर है. सेकेंड, व्हाट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंट बाय द गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये इक्वेशन को आप किस तरह से लिखोगे. तो मैंने क्या बताया था, अगर इफ यू रिमेंबर मार्टिन्स रूल, don't look at the question only. See, this is what 1 minus 1 2 1 into column matrix xy is equal to constant matrix 50 and 550. Do you agree with this? Match this with this. कौन सा ऑप्शन ओपन है? 1 minus 1 2 1 xy 50 and 550. First option is the right option. Now hold on. The value of x. अरे सॉल्व करने बोला है, सॉल्व करने बोला है. Now tell me how you will solve. How you will solve? So you will say ax equals to b. So x equals to b inverse into ax equals to b, bx equals to a inverse into b. Unique solution. आपको याद है क्या? Hello? Why? Because determinant is non-zero. So 1 plus 2 3 हो गया determinant. What is the formula for a inverse? 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ए. याद है? सो ए इनवर्स में पहला निकालता हूं शॉर्टकट करके. ए इनवर्स इज 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए. नाउ होल्ड ऑन. 2/2 मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट निकालना बहुत इजी है. व्हाट इज इट? फर्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट ए निकालिए. 1 अपॉन 1 1 जा 1 ए डी माइनस बी सी. तो क्या हो गया? 1 प्लस 2 3 हो गया यहाँ पे. और एडजॉइंट ए, एडजॉइंट कैसे निकाल दे 2/2 का? दिस डायगोनल स्वैप इट. स्वैप करने का 1 1 1 1 रहेगा इधर, और दिस डायगोनल सेम साइन सेम नंबर बट ऑपोजिट साइन. सो ये -2 हो जाएगा इधर, और ये -1 का +1 हो जाएगा. सो फिनिश. आई गॉट x इक्वल्स टू a इनवर्स b. सो x इज a इनवर्स 1/3 1 + 1 -2 1 into b. b is nothing but 50 and 550. Now you can tell me what is the value of x and y. क्या है x का वैल्यू? x का वैल्यू क्या आ रहा है बेटा? 200. परफेक्ट. तो ये 5300 करेक्ट है. मेक इट 5300 बिकॉज आई जस्ट जज्ड इट, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, 5300 कर दो. आई थिंक दैट विल वर्क, राइट? ठीक है ठीक है. Sorry guys, so do this 5300, otherwise it will not come that number. So now it's okay, it's working right. Okay, sorry for the seesaw game. Okay, so I think this is okay. This is okay with you? Yes. So now what will happen? 50 plus 550 600 हो गया. तो x is 200. You are getting it ना? X is 200. Find y value also. So it is -50 and 500. ये कितना? 510 है क्या?
So can we just put the value of x in the first equation and get can you just put the value of x in the first equation and get
200 डाल दो ना.
हाँ, so we can do that.
वैसा भी कर सकते, कैसे भी करो. So अगर x को, अच्छा अभी तुमको शॉर्टकट बोलूँगा. एक काम करो, you also listen online. एक बार साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन करेक्ट आ गया, सॉल्व देम साइमल्टेनियसली. ये सब गया खड्डे में. ओके, आई थिंक यू विल गेट द आंसर डायरेक्टली. सी 3x इक्वल टू 600, x इक्वल टू 200. बट राइट अप यू शुड नो हाउ टू डू, बिकॉज दिस राइट अप पे एक क्वेश्चन दिया है ना, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, अदर सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियसली. आंसर जो जीता और सिकंदर एज ही सेड इसके अंदर. सो y विल गो अप. सो व्हाट इज 150 आ गया, 200 आ गया, x इज 200, वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 150. एनी प्रॉब्लम? आई थिंक आई एम करेक्ट, राइट. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच इज द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. अरे x आ गया 200, ये आ गया 150. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया? 200 into 150. हाउ मच? व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन करेक्ट हियर? सेकेंड ऑप्शन. यस, दैट्स राइट. सो ये ऐसे केस स्टडीज देखो कितना इजी होता है. तो थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देके figure draw, figure का सम आया, draw the figure, it will really clear lot of ideas from your end. Any problem in this? Got the point clear? Very good. Okay, remember whatever you are coming, every question is equally important. Till the last question what you do, might be that last question तुम नींद मारता रहेगा, तब आ गया वही क्वेश्चन शायद बोर्ड में आ गया तो क्या करेगा तुम लोग, नींद से उठ जाएगा नहीं उठ जाएगा, तो नींद से उठो मत, नींद में सो मत, करेक्ट और नॉट मैडम? So I want to say that just be yourself. Okay, right. I hope you got this point clear. Right. Let us see the next part. So, oh, lovely. ये क्या है? हो जाएगा. चलो, let us see. Look at the question now. Okay, I give you time 10 minutes for it now. Hold on. Now I told you this at the determinant of adjoint A. I had given you the formula in the beginning. Hey, Mr. Orange, I had given you adjoint A. Very important formula is determinant A n minus 1. Keep that in mind. Okay? Then determinant of adjoint A is determinant A n minus 2 into matrix A. ये फॉर्मूला याद रखो, बाय हार्ट कर लो इसको. तो आई हैड सीन मेनी टाइम इन मेनी एमसीक्यूज दिस क्वेश्चन वाज ऑलवेज विद दिस. ये तो रेयर था, but this was always there. Okay, I hope you got. Now can you try this question quickly? Try and then cry. I give you 5 minutes for it, or you want me to do, I will go ahead with it. You will try this. I had given you the solution. Okay, determinant adjoint A. What is determinant adjoint A? Is what? Determinant A into n minus 1. अरे मेरे भाई डिटर्मिनेंट कैसा निकालेगा आप, देखिए ये क्या हो जाएगा, सिंपल वर्किंग है यार. सुनो, इसका डिटर्मिनेंट बहुत इजी है. कीप -2 एज इट इज. AD minus BC. What is the determinant here in this case? अच्छा, सॉल्व करो तो आ जाएगा ना, तो करो ना फिर. क्या आंसर है? How you got -8? Yes, -2 into AD. So -8 आ गया. करेक्ट. डिटर्मिनेंट इज -8. नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी, सर आपको कैसे समझ में आया? आई विल जस्ट शो यू. यू नो दैट A into adjoint A is always determinant A into I. This is a property. Matrix A into adjoint A into adjoint A is always determinant A into I. This is a property, very important property. A into adjoint A is same as adjoint A into A is equal to determinant into I. अभी यहाँ से उन्होंने determinant. Hold on, I'll just confirm this formula for me. Okay, or just give me 5 minutes, we will do that. अब यहाँ पे देखो, this is I. Okay, I. अभी उन्होंने बताया such that A into adjoint A is 2 into I. If you compare this with my property which I showed you just now, the value of determinant adjoint A is what? See down. A into adjoint A. What is A into adjoint A? Determinant A into I. Everybody knows this. So I ask you a simple question. By the value of determinant adjoint A is what? Just now I saw. What is determinant adjoint A? Determinant adjoint A is nothing but determinant A and n minus 1. What is the determinant? See, now if I compare, it is 2i. 2i. A into adjoint A is given 2i. So what is determinant standing for? 2. Compare na. If you compare both these things, I think I am confusing you all more rather than clarifying. Hold on. Now they are taking determinant A is determinant adjoint A. What is determinant adjoint A? Determinant A into n into minus 1. I have to find determinant A, but there is no matrix. In the previous case there was a matrix, so I could find determinant. Now in this case what they had given to you? A into adjoint A given to you. A into adjoint A is nothing but 2i they are told. But if I compare with the property A into adjoint A is always determinant A into I. Now if you compare, what is determinant A is equal to? 2. And they are asking determinant adjoint A. So determinant adjoint A is what? Determinant adjoint A is what? Determinant A n minus 1. Shortcut, because there is no matrix as such. So what is determinant adjoint? Determinant A. What is determinant A? I got 2. So 2 raised to n minus 1. So what is the order they have to give you? What is the order? 3 by 3. So n stands for 3. N stands for 3. So what will happen now here? 3 minus 1. So 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer is 4. 4 है क्या option में? Yes, 4 है. First one. Got the point clear? Any problem in this? Hello? Okay. Now this case. Now see. Second example. This is sum number 8. They had given us a square minus a plus I is equal to 0. They are asking find A inverse. Find A inverse निकालने बोला. सुनो. See, अगर if the matrix A would have been given, I could have directly got A inverse without doing this Ramayana Mahabharata. ठीक है? अब ध्यान दो. How to find A inverse when equation is given to you? बहुत simple. A inverse कहाँ पर भी नहीं है. तो I will pre-multiply by A inverse on both the sides. तो क्या हो जाएगा देखो. A inverse A square minus A inverse A plus A inverse I is equal to 0. Agree? Agree? Answer is B. I am directly telling you. मेरे को ये सब मेरे को सॉल्व भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why I will tell you. Now look. Now यहाँ पे A inverse A square हो गया. तो A square is what? A into A. A square is what? A into A. So I can write this like this ना. A inverse A into A minus A inverse A is what? I. Plus A inverse into I is A inverse is equal to 0. So A inverse क्या आ गया देखो इधर. ये I वो वाली चला गया. And A inverse A is I. I into A is A. So plus A will go on that side. I minus A. Okay, this is a way to do when an equation is given to you. You pre-multiply both the side by A inverse. ये subjective approach है. Okay, यहाँ पे shortcut नहीं होता. लेकिन what I would do, I know 110% any equation they give you, they ask you A inverse, it is always a by term. मतलब I minus A, I plus 2A, I plus 3A like that. It can be anything. Or I minus 3A or whatever. यहाँ पे first option is A square, second is 0, third is A. Out of question. So I don't have to solve only. Answer is I minus A. Did you get this point? Ninth one. Singular matrix. Tell me what is the singular matrix? Huh? What is singular matrix? Determinant is equal to perfect. हो गया काम. मेरे को solve करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. सुनो. A into adjoint A. Just now I told you what is the property. A into adjoint A is what? Determinant A into I. I am talking for the 9th question. What is A into adjoint A? Determinant A into I. But as it is a singular matrix, the determinant A is what? 0. So 0 into anything is? So they are asking A into adjoint A क्या होगा? 0 मतलब null matrix हो गया. काम खत्म. Got the point clear? Right? तो ऐसे questions होते हैं फालतू questions. So anyway, coming to the point, let us see the next question. Now, तो प्रॉपर्टीज देखो कौन सा हम यूज कर रहे हैं. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो दैट यू रिमेंबर दोस्त. ठीक है, नोट डाउन दैट पार्ट. अरे ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट टू डू इन सच क्वेश्चंस. ओ नो, जेड भी है क्या इसमें? ओ वन है. हाँ, दे आर टेलिंग. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस. For what values of A and B the system of equations will have a unique solution? When you have a unique solution, when a determinant is not equal to 0, then only you will have the solution. Martin's rule याद है क्या आपको? जब आप determinant पहला तो आपको इसको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में मैं लिखूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा 2, ये हो जाएगा 2a6 1 2b, राइट, 1 2b, और बाद में क्या 113 into xyz is equal to constant matrix 8 5 and 4. So ये हो गया a into x equals to b. ओके ना, इसको छोड़ दो, ये देख लेंगे आप बाद में. उन्हें क्या बोला, for what values of a it will have a unique solution. सोच के बताओ, for what values of a when it will have a unique solution, when not equal to 0. तो आप इसका डिटरमिनेंट निकाल सकते हो क्या? कर दो ना, डिटरमिनेंट निकालो, क्या आता देखो, वर्क इट आउट. ओके, आई गिव यू दिस सेम थिंग, डू नॉट हैव अ यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये क्वेश्चन दिया है, सोच के करो. ये तो तुम लोग कर सकता है बिकॉज it is based on a into adjoint a is equal to determinant into I, because options are given in terms of that. Then this also a inverse will exist when determinant is not equal to 0. So उन्होंने पूछा find what if lambda का क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. Try it out. Okay, come on, hurry up fast. 4 minutes I am giving you, 5 minutes I will give you for try to work it out. Okay, what happens God only knows. Now, इधर देखो, सुनो, hold on. The point here is, let me see the first one. ये तो हो गया था हमारा. This is determinant A. This is the determinant A value because 55 minus 42 is 13. So determinant A into A inverse. They are asking what is equal to what. मेरे को क्या मालूम? But A inverse है determinant A. So this fundamental formula I will use. So determinant A into A inverse is adjoint A. That's the answer. Fine. For the set of the linear equation, the value of lambda does not have a unique solution. What is the answer of lambda you are getting? You get a quadratic. Fatapat karo. You want me to do this? I'll blast this sum out. Hey, no mobile phone, my dear. Be clear. So what will happen now? Lambda. और ये lambda को मानने दो. Put a. lambda करके कुछ हो रहा नहीं. A डाल दो. ठीक है? A. What is 5a minus 3 minus plus 3. I'm just talking the determinant there. 5 minus 9 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3a is equal to what? 0. Solve for lambda a square. So 5a square हो जाएगा minus 3a minus 12 plus 1 minus 3a is equal to 0. So what will happen now? This equation 5a square minus 6a नहीं minus 12 and plus 1 ना. 11 5s are 55. Factor 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. Are you understanding this? Hello? Yes. So answer क्या है? 11 5s are 55. I'll directly do the shortcut here. So minus 55 आ गया. The factors will be minus 11 and plus 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Answer is 11 upon 5 and minus 1. 11 upon 5 minus 1. अरे वाह, that's a quadratic. I think you know how to solve quadratic. If you don't understand how to factorize, formula jindabad. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square b Om Namah Shivaya. Understanding or not? Work it out. Getting this point? Any problem in this? Right. अभी ये करो. If A is equal to this, then A inverse exists. And sum क्या है? Oh, lambda का value, same type of sum. A inverse when it will exist, my dear? When A inverse will exist? When the determinant A is not equal to 0. So not equal to answer आएगा. तो determinant निकाल सकते हैं क्या नहीं निकाल सकता है? Not equal to 0 करके lambda, this lambda I don't know lambda. A डालो, B डालो, lambda क्या डालने का? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Hello madam, yeah, she just tuku, she is looking at the screen. Madam, are you getting it? What? Are you are crying or laughing? No, with the mask, nobody understands what you are telling. I just try to understand your expression and trying to. Got it? Sure? Peter, getting it? Okay. Do you get it, madam? Yes. Come on, hurry up, Mr. Orange. This is orange color or I am color blind? Orange, na? हाँ. तो अभी तक got the point clear? Any problem in this? ठीक है, देखो क्या करने का. केस स्टडी दिया है. डोंट राइट केस स्टडी लिखेंगे तो और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे, आंसर भूल जाएगी तो. कौन ट्राई इट आउट? कैन यू ट्राई? I'll check this question once again because there are four options given to you. God only knows how 4 options. I think ये 3 ऑप्शन इसका है, ये ऊपर खींचा थोड़ा सा. Let me see. You read the question and try to work out. Come on. ब्रिंजॉल को x डाल दो, पोटैटो x, ऑनियन y and ब्रिंजॉल z. ऐसे सम्स में they will not ask you to solve, huh? Because no, they might ask you to solve. Hurry up fast. Yes, my judgment is correct. I think this is one set of equation. This is one set. This is for B option and this is for C option, D option. ठीक है? Of course, ना is common sense. लेकिन ऐसा common sense समझ आते हैं. What happened is when I increased the font, it went here and there. तो करो जो चीज़ अरे अच्छा. What I suggest, कुछ बोला कि उसने x वहाँ लिखा ही नहीं इधर यार. पोटैटो, ऑनियन एंड ब्रिंजॉल एक्स वाई जेड. एक्स, हाँ इसको एक्स वाई एंड ब्रिंजॉल जेड. ब्रिंजॉल ऑन बैंगन कहाँ है फास्ट? यस ऑरेंज. सॉरी ऑरेंज दिया नहीं किधर, बोलो. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? विच आंसर? नहीं समझ रहे? ओके सॉरी. रीड द क्वेश्चन. 3 friends, Rahul, Ravi, Rakesh, all are bloody, went to vegetable market to purchase vegetable. By default in this generation, male only goes in the market and buy vegetable. Correct or not? And nowadays they do the cooking also. Right? Now, yeah, it is off the record, huh? Yes. Vegetable from a vegetable shop. Of course, from the vegetable shop they will buy the vegetable. We don't go vegetable from meat shop. And Rahul purchased 1 kg of each potato, 1 kg. So 1x plus 1y plus 1z is equal to 21. X plus y plus z 21. अरे देखो ही मत. ऑप्शन नंबर खत्म. ये आ गया इतना. देखो इधर फर्स्ट सेकंड ऑप्शन. आई होप यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट क्लियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. नागवानी, यू आर व्हाट? फेरवानी. व्हाट इज नेम? ए 2x2 नाम क्या है? हाँ मिर्चंदानी. ऑल नीनीज राइट. सिंधी है? योर सिंधी है? गुड. नो आई एम नॉट रेशियल, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग. आई होप यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट क्लियर. समझ में आ गया सबको? इजी. अरे एक बार इक्वेशन है ना, इसको भूल जाओ. मत भूलो. सुनो. द algebraic representation obtained by this. How you will find the algebraic equation? Can you tell me what is the answer? This she will tell. 1 42 6 to 3 है क्या? इधर है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है. लेकिन ये हो जाएगा ax इक्वल्स टू b. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन राइट आएगा इधर? हाँ सी. अरे ये तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन है. क्या देख रहे हो? गॉट द पॉइंट. ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन हो गया. अभी थर्ड क्वेश्चन आगे. इफ a इज दिस, फाइंड a इनवर्स. अरे डोंट थिंक ना है. व्हाट इज a इनवर्स? a इनवर्स इज 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट a इनटू. देखो ये तगड़ा केस स्टडी समय, तगड़ा रगड़ा नहीं, तगड़ा. मतलब 8 मार्क आपके खिस्से में होगा अगर आपको पूरा मार्टिन्स रूल का सॉल्यूशन, इफ यू ऑल नो गाइस, आई थिंक यू आर थ्रू दिस क्वेश्चन. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन? तो करो ना जल्दी जल्दी. कॉस्ट ऑफ पोटैटो बोला है, पोटैटो XYZ निकालो जल्दी जल्दी, तो सॉल्व करो. कम ऑन जेंटलमैन, यू आर वेटिंग फॉर व्हाट? नेक्स्ट ईयर, और यू आर थिंकिंग नाउ यू विल डू द डायरेक्ट फाइनल एग्जाम एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर MCQ देने का. मजा आएगा ना? कितना टाइम मिलेगा तेरे को? बहुत है ना. अरे फास्ट. आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग है बेटा, डोंट जस्ट एडिंग ह्यूमर टू इट बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो टायर्ड थ्रू आउट द डे. Please, I'm sorry for these options going haywire. A option is this, B option is 1 upon 5 times this, C option is this, D is minus 1 upon 5 times this. So यहाँ पे determinant मत निकालो because 5 is the determinant, all the options 5 is there. So determinant निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, directly adjoint निकालिए. Adjoint how you will find? If you remember adjoint, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. A31, 32, 33. याद है ये टेक्निक? हाँ, को फैक्टर साइन डालना भूलो मत, इसलिए बोला था सॉल्व करके आ जाइए, मार्टिन्स रूल हिस्से में आ जाएगा. हरी आप. Yeah, come on, 8 2 by 2s. I want really all to work. Hurry up. I want the final answer also. There are only 4 questions in this. A perfect case study. You want me to solve? No, you want to tell me, huh? Please, don't. I am not testing you all. I don't have that right today. You want me to? ठीक है. Help करो. You can do, na? Very good girl. Come on, fast. Finished? Okay. I think third one. What is the answer? B. D. D. Where is D? So minus 1 upon 5, this is the option, right? This is option D. Then you solve it out. What is solving? X equals to A inverse into B. So A inverse तो आ गया आपको, minus 1 by 5. This is 5 minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 10, 4 and minus 1 into B. B is behind, sorry. B, come here. The first option, B is 21, 60, 70. 21, 60 and 70. If you feel you don't have time to do this, satisfying, ये x हो गया, ये y हो गया, z हो गया. Take this and put in the equations. If this satisfies all the 3 equations, then there is the answer. Or this satisfies all the 3 equations, then there is the answer. Shortcut. और satisfying का मतलब मालूम है ना, LHS equal to RHS. बताओ करके, क्या समझ गया? Understanding, madam? Children, are you getting it, na? All of you? Nagmani getting it, na, beta? Okay, just understand. I will show it, okay? It's not necessary that you have to do every sum. Fast. Finished? What is the answer? A. You want me to show? I will show. Sure shot. Next case study जाओ. Rectangular plot. Draw the figure. Try it on your own. Decrease or increase का मैंने किया था ना पिछला सम. Same type. Come on, try it out. लिख के करो बेटा, देख के कुछ नहीं होता, देख के जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, करना पड़ता है. हरी अप मैडम, कौन क्विक, रॉक एंड रोल, बोल बेबी बोल, हरी अप फास्ट. Huh? What?
Same values.
Who told you same sum?
Sir, only names
Oh.
change.
Sorry. Okay, it's not my mistake. Sorry guys, this is the same question which we had done. So, smiley. Okay, next. Finish. Case study. Case studies means 8 marks in your pocket. But there is a hole in your pocket, the money will go and you will flow. Come on, Mr. Jeans and this one. Come on, hurry up fast. Think properly what they are giving you. Monthly income of two sisters, Reshma and Ritam, are in the ratio 3:4 and the monthly expenditures are in the ratio 5:7. Each sister saves 15,000 per month. Based on the above information, answer the Om Namah Shivaya. Hurry up fast. बहुत सिंपल दिया है. मंथली इनकम ऑफ रेशमा इज 3x एंड रीता इज 4x. इनकम दिया है. एक्सपेंडिचर, सो इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंडिचर विल बी जो भी है. खत्म ना. देखो 3x माइनस 5i इक्वल टू 15,000. कहां पर है 3x माइनस 5i? इधर ही है ना सिर्फ. Are you understanding? Similarly, this equations, how you will write? 3ax equals to b लिखेगा ना. इधर मारो गोली. ax equals to b. This is the right. इधर देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं. Then third, a inverse, same type of period. What is a inverse? A inverse is 1 upon determinant a into adjoint a. अभी डिटर्मिनेंट ए तो आ गया, नहीं निकाल सकते. डिटर्मिनेंट क्या है? -28 नो 21 प्लस 20 -1. किधर भी दिया नहीं है. -1 मतलब अंदर ले लिया उन्होंने. तो रुको, -1 आ गया तो 1 अपॉन -1 इंटू एडजॉइंट ए. एडजॉइंट ए आई टोल्ड यू. हाउ यू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट ए ऑफ 2/2? दिस डायगोनल यू विल स्वैप. So what will happen? This will become -7 and this will become 3. 3 is -7 को -7 3 and this will be same number but opposite sign. So इसका opposite क्या हो गया? -4 and 5. Okay, got this point? Finished. काम खत्म. What's the answer? 7 minus 5, 4 minus 3. 7 minus 5, 4 minus 3. D for Delhi. Solve करो. Monthly income of Reshma, that is X निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. Because see, in the previous case, monthly income of Reshma दिया है. Where is the income given to you? Monthly income is Reshma is what? 3x. मतलब you have to find x and y. Can you do it on your own?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Getting it? That's it. So this is the way the case studies questions are put on Martin's rule. This I will share with you all. So what is the answer for this question? I really don't know. I will tell you. But you know how to do it. So what I do is I will just I will solve x equals to a inverse into b. So x is nothing but 7 minus 5, 4 minus 3 into b. B for Bombay. What is b? B. बाप रे, लंबा चौड़ा सा क्वेश्चन. 15,000. Whatever the answer got. And this is equal to x, y. Na? This x is nothing but x and y. Right? Solve it out. ये कितना हो गया? 7 into 15, 105 and minus 75. So 105 minus 75, 30. Oh, answer दिया है किधर? नहीं दिया है. दिया है इधर. None of these दिया है. Just calculate. Can you calculate this? Answer I will tell you.
So 30,000,
Huh?
30,000, 15,000.
अरे किधर केस स्टडीज नहीं मंथली इनकम बोला है x is 30 what is the monthly income 3x so 3 into 30,000 90 and 12 hmm
So 3x and 4x, so this is that's 12,000 should be 120.
what
For B, it's 90,000 and 12,000 should be 1,20,000
1,20,000
for B.
ठीक है आ गया
Or it can be option C, but next.
oh I don't know what is the y value you're getting
15,000.
4 into 15,000 is 60 45 15,000 आ रहा है करेक्ट सो 15,000 एंड इनकम इसका क्या है 4x सो 4 into 15 is
So 4 into
हाँ 4 into 15 ना
60.
60,000 so इधर किधर
So it should be 4 into 30.
4
So
into
you're taking X and you're not taking Y for the
हाँ हाँ sorry sir 4 into 30 1,20,000 so 90 and 1,20,000 so option number no no there is some mistake there I believe what he says is right ठीक है गॉट द पॉइंट क्लियर कैसे लगा केस स्टडीज अच्छा लग रहा है थोड़ा इजी है ना केस बट मार्टिन रूल का अगर अच्छा है तो यू विल बी थ्रू कीप दैट इन माइंड गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ डिटरमिनेंट्स एंड मैट्रिसेस का फंडा मैडम राइट आर यू गेटिंग इट ओके सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विथ मी आई टेक okay thank you very much once again god bless you good night and at the same time do remember